Have you tried to access Google Bard and get this message? Bard isn't currently supported in your country. Hi, my name is MrRaccoon, I make AI tutorials and I'm from Germany. And I have one problem. I can't access Google Bard.
Bruh.
In this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can use Google Bard even it's not supported in your country. And the best thing about it is 100% free. First step is we check if Google Bard isn't available in our country. So head over to bard.google.com and then you can see Bard isn't currently supported in your country. Stay tuned. And if you have the same problem that Google Bard isn't available in your country, stay till the end to get around this issue. So what we have to do to get around this issue is we have to use a VPN. If you're not familiar with a VPN, it's a virtual private network. We start by installing a Google Chrome extension. You will find the link to Google Bard and the free Chrome extension down in the description below. And also there's a link to my free newsletter where I cover AI tools, news and stuff. So subscribe to it. We have to head over to this free VPN for Chrome, VPN Proxy VPN, and click on Add to Chrome. Then you have to click on Add Extension. Now it is installed. Now you just continue with the limited, it's because it's free. Once this Chrome extension is installed, click on the puzzle piece on the right upper corner and click on Free VPN for Chrome. Click on Continue, click on Start, then you have to choose a country where Google Bard is not banned. So I go for UK, London, and then you click on this big button and VPN is on. Now we refresh the page bard.google.com and we can try Bard. Click on More, I agree, and there we go. Now I can use Google Bard in a country where I shouldn't use it. That easy. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Also leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.